Are you tired of spending hours designing your website? Want to earn quick money by using AI tools? Then DIVI AI will be your right choice. Introducing DIVI AI, the revolutionary solution that will transform your web design experience. With DIVI AI, you can say goodbye to the tedious process of manually creating layouts and designs. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, DIVI AI can automatically analyze your content and generate a personalized, optimized layout that fits your needs perfectly. Say goodbye to trial and error. DIVI AI uses advanced algorithms to understand the structure of your content and intelligently organizes it to create visually stunning websites. All you have to do is provide your content, and DIVI AI will do the rest. But that's not all. DIVI AI also offers an intuitive user interface that makes it easy for you to customize and fine-tune your design. Want to change colors, fonts, or spacing? With DIVI AI, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. Not only does DIVI AI save you time and effort, but it also ensures that your website is modern, responsive, and optimized for search engines. With DIVI AI, you can unleash your creativity and create stunning websites that will captivate your audience. Don't settle for mediocre designs when you can have the ultimate advantage with DIVI AI. So why wait? Try DIVI AI today and experience the power of AI-driven web design. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We are discussing about different types of AI tools. Do you use DIVI AI tool? Let us know through comment section.